Hello everybody, welcome once again in our programming library. This video is all about how to get help in our studio using different help options available to us. So let's start with the help.start function. This is a general purpose help function, and if you execute this function then you can see a whole manual for the programming language R, and then you can choose the topic you want and go inside the topic to get more information. For example, let's click on this topic and introduction to R, and you can see a bunch of information related to the programming language R. But if you want to be specific and want to get help on some specific function or specific standard names, then you can use either help function or question mark for that. So let's get the help on matrix. Okay, so if you execute that help function with matrix as an argument, then you can see information related to matrix. Same applies to this question mark also. So let's get the information about the logarithmic this time, and you can see an immediate help related to the logarithms and exponential function. There are different types here and all the details with some examples here. Now to find the arguments of any function in R, we can use args function. And for example, if you want to get the argument of any function, say sample, to remind you guys, the sample function generates random discrete numbers. So let's see what are the arguments of sample. Okay, the arguments are here for the particular function sample. To get examples in R, we can use the example function, and this is pretty helpful for the beginners. Let's see the example of say array. Let's execute this function, and immediately we can see an example for array, and you can see of 2x4 array here. Even we can have demonstration of some particular functions or some particular standard names to show how to use this type of functions. And if we use only demo functions without any arguments, we can see all the packages available for demonstration, and you can see the package base here, and these are the objects available for demonstration from that package. And you can see another package, graphics, and in this package these are different objects which are available for demo, and for other packages here you can see different objects which are available for demos. Let's go to this package graphics and choose this image to see how demo works. Okay, so I'll write just image is the argument for this demo function, and let's execute that function. Now it is asking to enter to start, so I'll enter. So the variables are created here in the environment. Now let's enter. Now you can see the demo for different images. I'll keep entering to see different types of image demos. Okay, now finally we are out of the console. To find all the functions of a particular object, we can use double question marks. For example, to get the functions, all the functions for plot, we can use this double question marks, and let's see what are the different functions for plot. Okay, so we got here a whole lot of long list of functions related to plot here. All right. Uh, Now finally, we can use a library function without any argument to find all the packages in RStudio. In this case, in my RStudio. So let's see what are the different packages available in my RStudio. Okay, so here you can see the packages which are available in my RStudio, and also we can see those packages here in package section. Okay, so these packages are same as the packages given by this library function. So these are some of the important help tips that you can use in RStudio while writing your code for the next program. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video.